Toddlers.
Five little fish swam near the shore. One saw a bubble, then there were four. Blub blub pop went the bubble so high, and the fishy swam off with a twinkle in its eye. Four little fish darted past a tree. One found a treasure, then there were three. Shiny gold coins in a pirate's old hat. That little fish stayed to admire all that. Three little fish raced a speedy canoe. One took a nap, then there were two. Zizzy on a coral bed snuggled in tight, dreaming of jellyfish glowing so bright. Two little fish played peekaboo fun. One swam off, then there was one. He followed a dolphin who twirled with glee, spinning and splashing through waves in the sea. One little fishy, feeling so blue, called for his friends with a glub glub too. And from the sea with giggles and cheer, five little fishy friends appeared near.